can play tennis here for free. We're trying their local nga bibingka. Sorry taga sa mga Cotabato. I don't know if it's safe, but if you are a pork lover, you might as well think twice going here.
Bugno ang hangin, oh.
Hello roommates! Welcome to the day 2 of our 7-day trip here in North Cotabato. So yesterday we arrived maybe at like 4 or 5 p.m. and then it was like roughly a 7-bus-hour trip, and then we arrived here at Pigcawayan. So we were not able to record when we arrived because we're really tired. But today we're gonna continue our trip. So we're here at Pigcawayan Plaza. So it's interesting because their plaza has a tennis club. So naa sila tennis diri. You can play tennis here for free. In Cebu City, they rent their courts for tennis. So you can see here nga naapod sila playground for the kids, and there's a big place diri nga pwede ka chill. So actually today is like 12 noon. So medyo init gyud kay siya. But if you stand there sa ilahang mga tables, they have their tables nga na ay tree, so pwede ka chill, pwede ka eat sa imuhang lunch there. So right now, after we visit here, so you can see there na dako kayo nga Pigcawayan, no? So naapod ang ilahang municipal hall. I think ilahan ning karaan nga municipal hall, right? Na Pigcawayan, my hometown. So after this, we're gonna go to Cotabato City. We're gonna ride a bus there also, and we're gonna visit their mall nga newly opened lang this year, April this year. So let's go. Okay. Before going to Cotabato City, we're trying their local nga bibingka, which is a smaller version. And actually this is one, pero mo na ni siya ang last. What we're going to do, we're gonna ride a van. Papabugnaw po da sa ilang brand new opened mall. So ako lang yung tiwason, and sakay na ta. Let's go! It is 50 pesos each. So we just arrived. Where's the mall, James? Couple of blocks away. So we're just gonna walk there. Medyo init. I'm wearing this para di kayo sa init. Alimuot. So let's go. Kuhan din isa, no? It's a Muslim dominated city. So it's my first time seeing mosque, a literal establishment. So I can see that a lot of people, or majority good sa mga people here, it is Muslims. And although it's a city, pwede ra gyapon mo dili mag-helmet here. And the place is like urbanized na siya, but it's not that city vibe good, you know? So what we can see here on my front, na ang ilahang old city hall, a city hall that was made, I think, many long years ago. So here, mura siya gibuild as a Chinese nga design. I don't know, kay murag I can see a Taoist temple nga vibe nga giving. I think karaan na ni siya, and dili na ni siya operational. It's because ang atong brothers and sisters nga Muslims is nagstay na sila dito sa gawas sa door. So dito sila nagtambay. So I think wala ni siya, close na siya ba. Okay. Dayon, padayon ta. Although I think na old na ni siya, but ang naka-amazing niya here sa ilahang plaza is mura sa Puente Osmeña. Nga ang ilahang plaza surrounded siya by different business establishments. So na ay namaligyag mango shakes, na ay t-shirt, na apoy printing, na apoy Xerox, na ay kanang phones, equipment sa phones, and many other more. So ang amazing lang po sa ilahang plaza is atbang sa ilahang plaza right there is ilahang nasa big screen nga nag-project o dako gyud kay siya nga TV, dili lang gyud siya murag naka-projector ba. So roommate James will show it to you. Inyong nakita dito nga na siya announcement ang ilang accomplishments over the years, and then unsa ilang mga nahimo, unsa yung ilang mga reminders on all that stuff given by the Cotabato City LGU. So padayon ta ang ilang mga kids here, and then yung mga locals here baka medyo mabaguhan ba sila if na ay someone nga mag-vlog. I think it's not that everyday nga ilang makita nga na ay someone here nga mag-vlog. So, sa mo mabaguhan sila, they're gonna look at us. But si James, iyam kung gipugos nga mag-vlog. So, continue ta. So now we're going to the KCC. KCC, no? James? We're going to KCC. As what you can see, is padung tong labang. Padung tong labang. Yang ilah mana, ang ilahan done here is kana puno gyud og kanang kailain nga establishment. Na ilang countdown here. And ilang yung kuan, like almost everybody here is majority sa ilaha kay Muslim. Kaya ilan man yung kayo, hijab man sila. Oh, sige. So go na. Go na ta. So here. Dagong man, dagong na. So we're going to KCC Mall. KCC Mall kuno. Okay, there is a right there. So na yung mga vendors there. Here. So mura yun siya goan. I remember Colon good. Colon nga naa sa tapit sa UV. Kaya nga ni sad ang Colon sa UV ba. Na bakery, na ay mamaligya og prutas sa kilid. Mga nga ni good. So reference, I come from Cebu. I grew up in Cebu. Ngayon na ni ang vibe na iyang Magyo sa Cebu City. So when you walk here, you can see police na si tawag ani, nag-roving, na yung mga army, na yung mga usually makitaan. I think also it's for the security of these people. Kay ako po, wala sad ko naswito if sorry taga sa mga Cotabato, I don't know if it's safe, but it's perfectly safe for good day. I even asked James kung safe ba mari sa Cotabato. Safe ba sa day? Dara. Mura siya kuan. Gaisano. No? Ang KCC. KCC. Some of the people kaya akong nabantayan, mura sila, I don't know, makuyawan, mataha if they see a camera here. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe it's just because wa sila naanad or I don't know what other reasons is. Compared sa Cebu, if people are gonna see you doing vlogs, kay wala rin sila, they just don't care. But here, kay two different reactions, pero wala gid sila yung reaction na they don't care. So first is, medyo mataha sila, ma-shock or ma-intimidate. But the second one is me. Once it's sila, if they see someone holding a camera, they would also smile sa camera. So, duha gyud. Compared sa Cebu, if you're doing vlog, they just don't care. They just mind their own business and they allow you to do your own also. But here, it's different. roommates, we're here now inside the KCC mall, and actually it exceeded my expectation because I thought this was just an ordinary mall, pero nadi sila yung mga international brands here like Lacoste. So right now it's currently it's 1 p.m. 1:28, hapit na mag 1:30. So we're gonna eat our lunch. We went outside Cotabato or sa balay nilang roommate James 12, but it's now 1:30. So we're gonna find our food. We're gonna eat lunch because we haven't eaten lunch yet. So while we are looking for it, we're gonna look also for the brands or mga interesting mga baligya here sa mall. So let's go, and I'll just going to update you asa mi naka-decide na it. While we are roaming around, roommates is we chose Rib Shack, pero gimingaw mi sa ilahang food o sa ilahang only rice also. So they have also the New Balance and katong sa mga international brand. So I think we're gonna go to CBTL, mag-coffee ta later. But first we're gonna do our lunch. We're gonna have our lunch here sa Rib Shack. So we're done ordering here at Rib Shack. So few things lang ko ang nabantayan here in the KCC mall is first when you get inside is ang ilahang security. The security is to the next level. They have this scanners just like what you can see on the airport. It scans your stuff like good because I think they are so particular when it comes to security here, knowing in the history of Cotabato, but I believe it has already improved the security here. So they've got scanners ng mga wow, it's not there even in Cebu City, wala gear scanner in any kind of mall. And then second is one of the most of the restaurants here is they don't have a menu pork. So halal good sila. Like no pork yun. No pork. So you cannot order any pork. So you can just order chicken or beef and fish. So kana tayo mga choices but no pork. So if you are a pork lover, you might as well think twice going here. And kana, when I get inside, it's still the same. Makog anak sa computer. Sige silang tanaw sa sige silang tanaw sa imo is mag-vlog ka here. So I think they're not used to it kay I believe dili pud siguro ko pakita og vloggers nga based on Cotabato. So I think it's new to them. It's not always siguro it's not every day that they can see someone who's taking videos or recording vlogs here in Cotabato. So kana lang, kanang malingaw lang ko because it's a new experience for me. Those are some of the new experience. So maybe I can share to you some of my realizations from my phone. Kung sa kalahiyan, maybe a culture shock for me here in Mindanao. Kana lang siya. I think gigutom na ko, so we're just gonna wait for the food. Had conversation with roommate James. We'll continue on later. I'll see you after the lunch. We're done eating our lunch or late lunch, and it's almost 3 p.m. So that was what you can see here. That's our food. So today we're going to stroll inside the mall of KCC department store. So fun fact about KCC is they started in 1947 as a retail store. I think that's a clothing store. It's like an SM, also history stuff. KCC department store in Cotabato is one of the biggest mall that they have ever built, and it only opened this year. We're going to explore this place because we're already done eating our lunch. So let's go. So right after eating our lunch, we're going upstairs to see what are the other brands or what has this store offers also. So you can see there's an international brand, I guess, na ay oxygen, na apoy rigata. So we're going up, but I find it na unique ilang store. Perting tugnawa. Tugnaw kaayo. So I'm glad that I brought my jacket pero ako nag-fans kaya amin ako nga di kayo na nakatugnaw. So I'm glad that I brought my jacket. Perting yung tugnawa. So nasad sila kuan di ay. Nasad sila New Balance, nasad sila Japan Home Center, National Bookstore. But I hope naunta sila naunta sila Uniqlo. Pero murag wala siguro sila Uniqlo. James, no? Na sila Skechers, na sila shoe brands, also famous shoe brands, so na New Balance. So, you can see inside nga na 3 to 7. Hawa, naa sila samgyupsal, pero still, ang imong meat choices kay chicken, bulgogi, nga beef, chicken asad, nga beef o beef. Wala yun day sila ikuan pork. Ang ilang samgyupsal, and it's worth 549, so not bad. First place. Oh, so first place is mura siyang bilinanan sa mga bata. So si James kinay bata, pwede niya ibilin. No. So here, sa third floor is not of all the stores are open na. Nagiging sila convention center, James. So ang ilang convention center is ito unahan. So na sila appliance center also. KCC Home gihapon. There, so if you wanna buy a washing machine, na sila sound system. Na sa DI, pwede sa DI. Ang ilang po department store, it goes all the way from first floor up to third floor. So different floors, different stuff nga ilang i-open. So na sila Samsung. O na sila Huawei nga one store. Dako. It's just that wala pa gid sila nagkuan, wala pa lang nag-open ang ubang mga store. So open na ang Oppo, mag-open soon ang Realme. Napad sila Xiaomi. Daw sila ikuan sa sira Nasaan sila cinema here. They say nga na si AI nga state-of-the-art cinema sa kuno daw ni sila. Which offers 3D show or 3D nga alimot ako basta kanang 3D nya Dolby Atmos nga kuan Dolby Atmos din nga sound system. So Infinix is here. Daghan na og choices. Wala lang sila ikuan. Kining Demon Slayer ba? So mo nilang events and convention center. I think this is the end. Pwede din ang convention event center. What? Ang tanaw ta silang showing sa ilang cinema. Dako gid siya because na sila cinema. I thought it's just the typical mall sa Osaka one province something. Pero dili day, I'm wrong. Nakuan ko na gi-underestimate ra nako. So ilang showing kay wait, ay medyo late ang ilang kuan James. Medyo late sila. Kay ilahang showing dara Cinema 7 2D ra pag yun yung 150 ra 250 ra ang cinema na sila special screening ang Cinema 7, 8 na sila Conjuring what time ang ilang ko So yun, 3:30. Oh, 3:30 p.m. Guys, barato na kayo ang ilahang kuan. Ang ilang pag yung 150 kay with bottled water na pag yun. Imagine, nga na sa kabarato ang ilang Demon Slayer. I'm gonna take a picture. Barato nga, uy. Tara. Ito man. Mananaw ba may og Demon Slayer? Ito 48 pa. Saman James. Nasa Demon Slayer. Lagi makaulit na may ani gabi na. So if 3:30 siya, mahuman siya for 6, 7. Yeah, 7 na may makauli. Pwede pa takauli na. Dili na no. Sayang. Sayang, next time na lang. Pero ako sa picturean. Like, imagine imagine mo ni mo. 150 na siya. Barato kayo ang ilang kuan. Barato kayo ang ilang ticket sa Demon Slayer. Yung 2D na magiging siya. Si Boy is like kuan. 340. Oo, 340. Jadi kay 150 ra. Sige. Mupalit ka og
Inani, ito yung taon. How much?
34.
Yeah, 34.
Dakuan.
Same raw. Halos same raw. Tingog ko sa kwa. Pero mas nindot.
Oh, hindi pare-pareha ra. Kuha sa TV, James, oh. Dako kailangan TV. So they offer a lot of stuff here. Mall gid siya nga mall. Na refrigerator, so sala sets. Oh. Sala set. Bed. Saan yun? Oh. Dining set also. Naapod. So if magpalit ko ani, padaan ako sa Cebu pag yun. Kaya barato raman diri. Pila niyo? Oh, 1.6 ra siya. Imagine 1.6 ra. Walang foam mo. Oh, naku na kayo. It goes all the way there. Uy, kinanglan kong palit o ganang bed sa imuhang room. Lagi. Kanang bed frame. O kaniba ron. Pila na yung frame? 10,000 ang frame. Ha? This kanang bed frame. Nagkuha na ni siya roommate JP. 10,699. O pa'y labot sa foam. With the foam, it's 17. This foam is 17. Pero, look, 50% pag yun siya. So, na-save kayo. And ang imong sleep is kuan pag yun. Or naasay mo. Pero kani mo, too much yan. Dako na kayo ni siya. No. Kato mo, perfect. Sakto kayo. Oh, this one is sold na oh. So, muhumok yun dahil siya oh. So, let's go. Let's go to the other store. Barato kaya ang kilo silang papaya. Ang kilo silang papaya is 17. So this papaya only costs 25.8 pesos. We're going to buy this. Ngita pamiglain. Sige. Ang ilang giingon diri KCC, murag ilang moto KCC, which is the name of the mall, pinakabarato daw. So atong tan-aon. A lot of people also is namili pod sa ilahan ng murag ang mga mangumpra kay dili na lang gyud mo palit. Ang next James, na itong paliton. Mangita pa mi actually. Unsa ba itong paliton? You can see kung sa kalapad ang ilahang grocery store, no? So it goes all the way up there. Yun ang nakalapad ang ilahang grocery store. And with that, perting tugnawa sad. Tanawa kong jacket, ako anang gi-close. Perting tugnawa diri, oy. Muram ni call center. Ang ilang aircon kay dili pang tao pang karni. Murag gigahi diri, oy. So I'm glad nga kung bugnaw dito sa gawas, mas bugnaw diri silang grocery store niya. Hangin pa jud perting tugnawa. Samtang magid nila alang-alang nga ang ilahang aircon. Murag I think centralized di siya, wala sila control sa ilang kabugnawon sa aircon. Ang next na to ko James kay mangita ta og foods. Kaya kuan man ta. Mag spaghetti daw ta sa kuan. Inig birthday, inig Sabado, inig birthday daw nako, inig Saturday. So ngita tag hotdog og cheese. Plain 47 man daw to ang cheese. So mangita pa mi og lain palito nun. We bought some stuff like eggplant, delight, pang spaghetti. Magbinignit sa daw mi. Asam ta? Oy, sayop ni, dili ni mao, dili ta diri. Balik na sa ground pork. Cheese day. Lane 47 ko no. Na naman dito lane 47 James. Roommates, so instead of checking out of what's inside the grocery, because they said in many Facebook posts that the goods that they are selling here in KCC is cheaper or affordable, instead of only checking out, look what we've got. We checked out some of the groceries for worth, I don't wanna say. Let's just go home and bring these goods at home. Hello roommates! So today we are at roommate James's house and we arrived earlier and then we ate our dinner, and I just want to share to you a few realizations from our trip sa Cotabato City, specifically from KCC Mall. So first is I am really impressed good on how affordable the prices were sa ilahang grocery. So from the groceries to the vegetables, to the fruits, or even sa kanang ilahang mga lamas, it's really cheap compared sa what we have in Cebu City, knowing that in KCC, it's already a mall, it's already a grocery store, but still, ang ilahang prices ba kay kung ano gihapon, mura kag naa sa palengke kung naa pa ka sa Cebu. And not to mention, also, I wanna highlight nga, ang ilahang Demon Slayer, here into anime is, ang ilang Demon Slayer nga ticket sa cinema is only 150 pesos. So, yun na siya kabarato. So, I'm really impressed about that. So, I'm also impressed of how they've really grown into a progressive na city ba. Although, dili pa siya yung naka-urbanize is, kung na siya, ang ilahang richness gyud sa root crops, sa vegetables, sa farming here in Mindanao is really good. And also, ang ilahag yung kining safety and precaution here is murag yung kag mabaguhan if you are in Cebu City, because like I said earlier is sa ilahang entrance sa ilahang mall is nagyo siya scanner. Sa Cebu City is naara gyud ng scanner sa ilahang bag. Like when you go in sa Cebu City is ang guard ra gyud mo tan-aw sa imong bag. Pero diri sa Cotabato is you have to go to a scanner. Ang imong stuff kay ibutang gyud sa scanner and tanan go kung musod gyud ka is ibutang gyud mo imong gamit there. So ang kana siya nga scanner is present ra na siya sa airport na mo, but here kuan gyud siya moral medyo kuan pa particular kaysa when it comes to security also. And every road gyud kay I don't know kung pila ang distance per checkpoint yun. So na yung mga checkpoint every road nga maagian. So checkpoint here and then inigabot na po dito is na po ilaing checkpoint sa mga army and napag yun ay dito sa mall nga ang mag-assist sa entrance sa mall is really army. Dili gud siya security guard ba. So paingon ka nga they're really particular about it. And then also when it comes to here nga even though city na sila is lisod gihapon ang lisod gihapon ang transportation at night. So walay Move It, walay Maxim, wala tanan, walay delivery. I think walay delivery gari, walay Grab, walay. So kana siya, those are just the few things that I've noticed na wala gid sa Cebu City ba. So yeah, see you tomorrow for our day 3 and we're gonna call it a day. Thank you, roommates, and keep roaming.
Okay, let's go.